What's up everybody, Chris here from Acoustic Design, showing off, bringing you guys the new Halo touchscreen remote from Control4. As you can see, their line is pretty robust when it comes to being able to control your system, no matter what your preferences are. Whether you want to use your own personal cell phone, whether you want to use your laptop or an iPad, they've got the Neo remote, the original, the OG, the Control4 SR260, which is just a bunch of tactile buttons for those people that just like to finger around on the buttons and find out what they're doing. This is the Halo remote, the first iteration of the Halo remote. Almost a replacement for the 260 because of how many tactile buttons they have, and the brand new Halo Touch. Let's check it out. There it is. Full color touchscreen. Little less buttons, but the navigation buttons that you want in a control system, the ones that you're going to use for most new typical streaming devices. And it's a really, really fun remote to use. Stay tuned, give us a follow below, and we'll show you how easy it is for even you at home to add this to your system without having a programmer having to do it for you. See you soon.